What if I tell you that your money can make more money? Okay, so all by itself. Yes, that's the magic of compound interest. In today's video, let's learn how to calculate compound interest in Python in just a few lines of code. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are where we make learning Python simple and fun. In this video, I'll show you how to calculate the compound interest using Python step by step. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video to stay updated with all my coding tutorials. Okay, so first let us understand the formula here. So there's a formula we have it. That is the A equals principal is the principal amount, P is the principal amount, R is the rate of interest, and the T is the time period in years. Okay, so the compound interest will be A minus P. Okay, so now let's start writing the code here. I'm giving it a P equals float. This is a function. Now I'm taking the numbers from the users. Okay, the input. So I'll be giving it the input function. Enter the principal amount. Then close the bracket here. Then the R equals float input. Enter the rate of interest. Rate of interest. There we go. Enter. Then we have the time equals float input. Enter the time in years. Enter the time in years. All right. So now we are going to calculate the compound interest here. So that is A equals P into 1 plus R divided by 100. Okay. Then to the power of, if we cannot write the power, so that's the reason we'll be using a exponent form here. Okay. And it is a T here. Then we have it a C, that is a compound interest. CI equals A minus of A minus P. Okay. So now we have to display the result also, right? So for displaying the result, we'll be writing it a print compound interest equals comma CI. Close the bracket, enter. Here it should be the capital T. Okay. Then enter it here. Then again print compound interest total amount. Print total amount equals comma A. Okay, close the bracket. Done. Now let us run here. So here we are taking a 3 inputs. That is the principal amount. I can give it a 2000 here. And here enter the rate of interest. That is 3% I'm giving. And the time in years, it's 2 years. Okay, so here we go. The compound interest in 121 and the total amount is 2121 here. Okay, so we are applying the formula by printing both the compound interest and the total amount. Okay, it's that simple. And that's how easily you can calculate compound interest in Python. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Also share this video with your friends who are learning Python. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep coding and keep growing. Bye-bye.